My name is Phindulo Mashau from the Department of Agriculture, Forestry and Fisheries under the Directorate Plant Health in the division Pest Risk Analysis. I am responsible with conducting a weed risk assessment. This is a kind of assessment that is conducted before the actual importation of plants and plant products. It is done in accordance with the Agricultural Pest Act, which is Act number 36 of 1983, which provides for measures by which agricultural products may be prevented and combated. Also, we do it in accordance with the relevant international standards, called the International Standards for Phytosanitary Measures, specifically ISPM number 2 and number 3 of the International Plant Protection Convention, which is a standard setting body for the plant health matters as recognized by the World Trade Organization Agreement on the Application of Sanitary and Phytosanitary Measures. This IPPC provided us with a definition of a pest, wherein it is defined as any species, strain, or biotype of plant, animal, or pathogenic agent which is injurious to plants or plant products. The process itself can be done in two ways. First, on a genus level. What happens is we receive application to import plants and plant products through our import permit office. Then we draft a list of all species within that genus. Out of that list, we develop or generate a list of all species which occurs in South Africa, including those under official control. Then we select species which do not occur in South Africa and we start initiating the weed risk assessment process on those species. However, if we find that some of those species have been listed as prohibited by either CARA or the NEMA, we do not consider them for importation. We take them out. So those which have been found to be not listed are then subjected to weed risk assessment on the species level, wherein we conduct literature search to determine some questions under these following attributes. This questionnaire contains 49 questions, and each and every response to those questions has got a score allocated to it, ranging from -3 to 2, I think. So we ask questions on the undesirable traits that the species possesses, the plant type, whether it is grass or any other type of a plant, the dispersal mechanisms or propagules of that species, whether it has been domesticated or not, the climatic requirements and distribution of the species, or whether it is a wild elsewhere. So there are 49 questions under those attributes. At the end, we have to make a decision whether to grant permit or not. So that decision is advised by the total number of score that the species would have scored, would have attained rather. If it has scored less than 1, it means that the species has got less potential of becoming invasive, and therefore it is accepted for further assessment, because weed risk assessment is just a starting point in the PRA area. So the ones that have scored less than 1, they will be subjected for assessment, risk assessment in terms of pathology and entomology. But if it is scored in the range of 1 and 6, it will be put on hold and further research will be done on the species. But if it has scored more than 6, it will be outrightly rejected. It won't proceed to other assessments and it won't be allowed entry. Just to highlight some stats of how many assessments we conduct per year. Last year alone, we assessed about 23 applications, and out of those there were no rejections. But we are still left with 50, which we are still going to conduct. That's all that I have to share with you this morning. Thank you.